Universal.
Aloha.
Thank you very much. Aloha. Aloha, guys. We got our lays. The Loews Royal Pacific. Where are we?
Universal.
You guys are rather calm. I just dumped you for a burger and a beer at 10 a.m. and you're like, oh. Not the worst idea of the day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great time.
Wet Universal Studios. Cauldron in Harry Potter area. And he's gonna try the butter beer now. Think of the butter beer. Good? Alright, we just ate at the Leaky Cauldron. You guys having fun? Harry Potter area?
Wake up, I'm about to shake up every little thing, show you all that we can be. Come dance in my glow. Fireflies in the yard, everything's a work of art. Already got everything was good. So dance in the glow.
There we go. Islands of Adventure. Mommy is walking with purpose. On our way to Islands of Adventure. Caroline's gonna do some convention.
Starlight, searching for the meaning in the beauty that we see. Come bathe in the glow. Back roads where the magic unfolds. Happiness is simple, all you need is to believe. Come jump in the glow.
Another day going to the park.
It's always in my head, can never get enough. That summer feeling rough. Ooh, me and my friends dance until we drop, and the good times don't stop.
Cheers. Last day going to the parks, Owen. Ready for your last day?
No.
No. Oh, don't.
Young man, there's no spitting in my water. Bad boy, what you gonna do?
Harry Potter. Stay in Universal.